Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. In last few videos, we have talked about list, set, tuples, dictionaries and variables. Now today I will cover data types in Python. So let's create new file. So I will give name as a data type demo. So we know that variable is nothing but it is a container which stores the value, and data type will tell which type of value that variable is containing, means which type of value it holds. uh, that tells the data type. So this data type, it is very important concept in programming language, because see, in real time we are processing huge data. Okay, so then in processing that data, we should know what type of that data is, or which type of that data items are, so that we can process it correctly. And as an automation tester also, we are dealing with different data type. Means for validation, example, if I want to validate drop down and it is containing multiple value, in that case we can use, for validating that particular drop down values, we can use list or set depending upon the requirement. Or validating, for example, I want to validate the phone number, in that case we can use int as a data type. So this data type, it is very important. So let's see what are the data types in Python. So there are four data types are there. First is none. Okay, I will write here none. Then numeric. Next is sequence, and dictionary or map. Okay, so first none. None means if a variable is there and we are not assigning any value, then we are saying that it's a data type is a none. In other programming language like C, C++, Java, there is a null. Null is there. So same here, null is there. So suppose x, I will show you x equal to none and capital none. And suppose I want to print this value. Okay. Now, data type, it is nothing but these are the class, and variables are used as a object or instance of that class. So we can we can from this we can define the data type of this x. So for that there is a one method, type method is there. So we can print its data type as well. So type of x, it will give me the which type of value, which data type value that x variable is containing. So let's execute this. See, value of x is none and its a data type is none type. Okay, so this is a class. So we'll talk about the class and object concept in later video. But as of now, just consider it's a type as a none type. So next is numeric. So numeric, in numeric again there are few types like int, then float, then complex, and bool. So if x equals to 12, means if integer value is there, then its a data type will be int. So let's execute and see. See, value of x is 12 and its a data type as a int. Suppose I am giving float point value, then its type data type as a float. Now next complex. So we have seen in mathematics complex value. So same here we can use, but here in mathematics we have learned, for example, if x is my complex number, we can represent like this: a plus a plus bi. But here in case of Python, instead of I, we are using j. Okay, so we can see how to define this value. So suppose for example value of x is 1 and one more variable is there, its value is 34. Okay, now z is a complex number. Okay, or it will be complex, and we can pass this value x comma 1, and let's print this. Let's print z and type of z as well. Okay, so see, this 1 plus 34j, this will be my complex number and it's a type. Data type will be complex. So next is bool. Bool means boolean. So boolean means true or false. So mostly in conditional statement, in if else statement, we are using these values. Okay, these data types for comparison purpose. So let's see. Z x z equals to x is greater than y means it will give me the result either true or false. If x is greater than y, then it will give me result as a true, otherwise it will give me result as a false. So let's print this, execute. So value of this z is false because 1 is less than 34. Here x is less than y, then it should give me true. So these are the value of this boolean or bool type. So why this boolean? It is considering in numeric data type because see, it is having value true or false. True represents 1 and false represents 0, means it is having value 1 or 0. So we can see uh, if we print integer value of this z. Okay, then let's see which value it is returning. See, integer value of z is 1, means true. So for that, that's why it is included in numeric type, means its value is 1 or 0. So this is about the numeric data type. So we can see how to convert this integer value into the float or in different data types. Suppose value of x is 1 and I want it's a float value. So just we can give this, we can convert this integer value into the float. Okay, so let's print value of x and y and it's a type as well. And print. So this value of x is 1, means it is integer and I want to convert it into the float. So we can typecast this value as well. So let's print the result. So I am getting this. See, print x value is 1 and its a data type is int. Now again I am converting that integer value into the float and assigning to the y variable. So value of y is 1 and its a type is float. So we can typecast this as well. Okay, so we can convert, we can see for boolean value as well. Okay. Value of x is false, then it should give me 0 and it's typed as an integer. So this is about the numeric type. So we have seen about the list, set, tuple, okay, in last few videos. So these all are comes under this sequence data type. So sequence data type, in sequence data type we are having list, tuple, set, then string, okay, and range. So this comes under this sequence data type. So we know list and tuples. They are ordered. Okay, they are ordered and they are indexed as well. But in case of set, it is not indexed. And this list and tuples, they are allowing duplicate element. Set does not allow duplicate element. So we'll define here one list. Okay, and for list we are using square bracket. I'm assigning value, and I will just print this list, and it's a type. So execute this. So I'm getting this list, and it's a type will be uh, types dot generic alliance. Hmm, sorry, for list I have to give if I'm declaring with this list constructor, then I have to give this round bracket. Okay, one more bracket should be there. Now execute. See, it's a type is list. Okay, now suppose this is about the list. Suppose I want for set we are using curly bracket. Okay, now let's print this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my resulting set, and its value is set. Its a data type is a set. Uh, I will define one more. Hello, and let's see. See, here we are getting output of set. Means set is unordered. Okay, I will add one more duplicate element here. I will add 3, then 2, and let's print this. So, though I am adding duplicate elements, it give me only unique element. So this is about the set. And for tuple, we can use round bracket. Okay, and let's execute this. So this is about the tuple. So it will allow the duplicate element, and insertion order is maintained. It is index plus insertion order is maintained, and it allows duplicate element. So this is about the list, set, and tuple. So next is string. So, we have to give double quote or single quote. Okay, and if I execute this, it will give me string value. Either single quote or double quote we can give. I will give single quote, and let's check. So it is giving me string. So this is about the string. Next is a range. So now this range is a new type. Means this in C or Java, this range type is not there, but in Python it is added. So range, we can define range. Okay. So basically, this range, it is used to iterate value. Okay. So for example, this I'm giving it as it value as a 5, means it will iterate from 0 to 4, means it will give me 5 values starting from 0. Okay. Suppose I give here 1 to 5. Okay. Then it will give me the, or it will iterate over the values starting from 1 to 4. Okay. So this is the range, which is 1 to 5, and class is range. So for here, for displaying its value, we can use loop, but I have not covered loop. So through list, I will show this. So for example, list, I can define list like this by using range, and its value will be from suppose 1 to 10. Okay, and now I will print this list, and it's a type. Okay, now execute this. Now see, from 1 to 9 I am getting this range, means its value is iterating from 1 to 9, means total 10 in terms of list. So for means we can one way is for declaring list we can use range as well. Okay, and in for loop we are using this range. So next we can define set as well from range 1 to 10, and suppose I will make it as from 0 to 50. Okay, and I want with difference 5 means uh, 5 then 10 like this I want to print. So let's execute. So I'm giving 0, 5, 10. See here, this is a set, so its order is not maintained, so it is unordered. So that's why we are getting like this output means from 0, 5 to 45. Last value is 45. So like this, I'm getting 9 value. So this is about the range. Now next type is a dictionary. So So basically, dictionary it is holding the data in terms of key and value pair. In Java, we are having map concepts which holds data in key and value. So here in Python, we are having dictionary which stores the data in key and value. We have seen this video. We have in last video we have seen about the dictionary. You can check that video for more information. So I will just display here. I will define one dictionary here. So suppose name is a key and its a value is for example John. Next is age. Is my key, and suppose its age is 23. Next is roll number. Okay, roll number, and its a roll number is for example 2. Now I want to display this list, and let's check its type. I want to display this dictionary which is variable x, and we'll check its type. So we can see this is the name, and which is and in data type we can see it's a data type is as a div. So this is about the dictionary. We can print let's say we are having y as a value, y as a variable which stores all the keys. Okay, so let's print y as well, and it's a data type as well. So let's see. See, keys are here. One important point for dictionary is it will stores unique keys. So, so this is the this y is nothing but keys, and its a data type is dictionary key, dict keys. Now we can take values, and we can take its data type as well. So in output, so this is dictionary. This is all dictionary. Its a type is dict, and for values, I'm getting John 23 and 2, and it's a data type as a dict values. So this is the data type. So that's all from this today's video. We are talk about data types. So different data types are there. Like none means we are assigning none value to the variable. Then numeric. In numeric we have seen int, float, complex, and boolean. Then next type is a sequence. In sequence we are having list, set, tuples, string, and range. And last is dictionary. So dictionary will stores the element, multiple element in key and value pairs. So that's all from today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.